So now we'll see the role of pH in the action of these local anesthetics. So basically pH is mainly involved in the onset of action. Like if you are varying the pH, you can increase the onset of action, okay, fastest acting local anesthetic as such. So as you can see, mainly for movement of these local anesthetic across the membrane, it should be in the form of unionized form, or you can say uncharged form as such. So at a physiological pH of 7.6, this condition is possible. This condition means both will be in equilibrium, or you can say a reversible reaction has been possible, okay. It can be in ionized as well as unionized form as such at a physiological pH. And as you people might be knowing, these local anesthetics are basically alkaline in nature, okay. So by this idea you can know how we can increase the movement of these local anesthetic across the membrane. See, any agents which are which are alkaline in nature, any drug which are alkaline in nature, how can we make them in unionized form, okay. So as you people might be knowing, alkaline drug can be made unionized at alkaline environment, isn't it? So any alkaline drug, if we want to make it in unionized form, we should provide them an alkaline environment. And similar is possible for acidic drug. For acidic drug, if we want to keep them unionized form or uncharged form, we should provide them an acidic environment, isn't it? So basically what we want to increase the onset of action of these local anesthetic. So how can we increase the onset of action of these local anesthetic? By making them in uncharged or unionized form. So how can we make these local anesthetic and in unionized form? By providing an alkaline medium. So whenever local anesthetic is been given along with sodium bicarbonate, it will provide an alkaline medium. Because of that alkaline medium, because of increasing the alkalinity or by making the pH alkaline in nature, forward reaction takes place. Forward reaction means most of the drug will be available in unionized or uncharged form. When the drug is present in unionized or uncharged form, it can easily cross the membrane and move inside, okay. And after moving inside, it should again undergo in ionized form, or you can say cationic form, to produce the action, okay. So remember, onset of action can be increased by providing an alkaline medium, for which sodium bicarbonate are usually being used, okay. So again a small recap. pH, the role of pH in the matter of local anesthetic is to increase the onset of action, okay. So how can we increase the onset of action? By by providing such a medium which can easily cross this membrane. And how these local anesthetic can easily cross this membrane? When they are maintained in an unionized form. So how can we produce an unionized form of this local anesthetic? Yes, by providing an alkaline medium. So usually sodium bicarbonate is given along with local anesthetic, which can increase the onset of action, okay. Always remember, it increases the onset of action, okay. Sodium bicarbonate, it increases onset of action, okay. Do not get confused it with adrenaline. Adrenaline will increase the duration, okay. Adrenaline will increase the duration of action, whereas sodium bicarbonate will increase the onset of action.